7, the absolute value is greater than 9, so this is an or. And again, I always think of it saying it's greater than 9 feet away from the 0. So we're going to be going -9 to the left and +9 to the right. We're moving further away. We're greater than 9 feet away from that center 0. Solving this, -2n plus 3 greater than 9. We always take what's in there, the positive piece, bigger than 9. It is an or. If it were a less than, we would use an and. But it's a greater, so it's or. And then we look at the opposite of this -2n plus 3, bigger than 9. All right, left is always easier to solve, so let's do that first. -2n greater than 6, divide by -2. When you divide by negative, what's going to happen? Inequality is going to flip. And 6 divided by -2 is -3. Here we'll always start, divide by -1 on both sides. Leaves me with -2n plus 3. Inequality is going to flip because I divided by a negative. -9. I now subtract 3. Subtract 3. -2n less than -12. Divide by a negative. Inequality, there's n, is going to flip. 6. It is an or. So we're looking for n's smaller than -3 or bigger than 6. On a number line, here's -3. We want n's less than -3. So they're going that way. Greater than 6. Here's 6. They're going that way, moving away. One's moving one side, one's moving the other because we want to be more than 9 feet away from wherever that object is. Number 8. Going to start it the exact same way. Let's divide by -2. Divide by -2. Now here's what's interesting. What happens to our inequality here? It's going to flip also. So we're looking for where the inequality of n plus 1 is bigger than 5. Not the inequality, the absolute value, silly me. The absolute value of n plus 1 is greater than 5. So n plus 1 greater than 5, greater, so it's an or. I look at the negative piece of n plus 1 bigger than 5. Subtract 1, piece of cake. Or what do we have here? Well, we got to do a little extra. Divide by -1, n plus 1. It flips because you're dividing by a negative. That becomes a -5. I subtract 1, n less than -6. So n is bigger than 4 or less than -6.